Here's my little guy. He's 4 weeks old. He still follows me around. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. As long as I don't let him play with the other animals or ducks or chickens, he still thinks I'm his mommy. Still kind of goes between my legs. Sit down, buddy. Sit. 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 Huh? You want to sit? Let's go. Let's go for a walk. You need your exercise just like I do. We're kind of walking each other, right, buddy? Yeah? Almost a month old. Here you go. You got a chance to meet Candace Nguyen, one of the best news reporters I know of. Candace took a picture of you. You're gonna be famous one day. Like the Affleck duck. You're gonna turn white pretty soon. You're molting. Look at that waterproof layer. Become white. Yellow become white. Sounds like you're gonna be beautiful. Hey, buddy. See you sit. Come on. Wanna sit yet? You don't feel like sitting? Huh? Let's go. You walk like a model. Right? Yeah. Heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. Look at you. Come on, model. Don't be lazy. Work it. Work those hips. Work those hips. Move those butt cheeks. There you go. There you go.